got this sanded off down in here pretty good. We're going to line these teeth out. So we have that. And I'll use this tool here to score my initial line, and then I'll use this one here to open it up a little bit. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Okay, this will just open it up a little more, round it down. Now we have our teeth marked. So you can see where we've done for our eyelids here. So we've got to go up to here. We want to take this a little deeper here, and then we can mark out the eyelids. sanding them down to where we need them. And I'm going to take my little sanding wheel here and sand it down inside. Okay, I've got that deep where I want it. So we got that part done. We've taken it up underneath the eyelid a little bit so we can put our eye on there. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And we'll be back.